Every mirror in the world follows just two laws. Let me show you what reflection is. Law 1. The angle going in equals the angle coming out. Always. This is the pool ball rule, bounce at the same angle you hit. Law 2. The incident ray, the reflected ray, and the normal all lie in the same plane. They cannot be tilted out of this flat surface. A concave mirror curves inward. It converges parallel light to a real focus F. That is why makeup mirrors, dentist mirrors, and satellite dishes are all concave. A convex mirror curves outward. It diverges light. The rays appear to come from a virtual focus behind the mirror. That is why your car side mirror says objects are closer than they appear. One formula solves every mirror problem. 1 over V plus 1 over U equals 1 over F. Memorize this. It is your master key for every numerical in this chapter. Worked example. U is minus 30, F is minus 20. Plug into the formula. 1 over V equals 1 over F minus 1 over U. The answer, V is minus 60 centimeters. That is case 3, between C and F, real, inverted